Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to take you through the different types of specialist doctors and what they do. Whether you are interested in learning about cardiologists, pediatricians, or neurologists, we will explain how each specialist plays a vital role in keeping us healthy. From treating everyday ailments to managing complex conditions, these doctors are experts in their fields. Let's explore their unique skills and specialties. Stay tuned. Cardiologist diagnoses and treats heart and blood vessels conditions such as heart disease. In addition to diagnosis and treating heart and blood vessel conditions, a cardiologist also performs stress tests. Cardiologists conduct stress tests such as treadmill tests to assess how well the heart performs under physical stress, helping to diagnose coronary artery disease or other heart conditions. Dermatologist focuses on the skin, diagnosis and treating skin disorders, including acne, eczema, and skin cancer. Neurologist treats conditions of the nervous system, including the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Orthopedic surgeon specializes in diagnosis and treating bone, joint, and muscle disorders such as fractures and arthritis. Pediatrician provides medical care to infants, children, and adolescents, addressing childhood disease and development. Gynecologist focuses on women's health, particularly the reproductive system, including pregnancy care and treating menstrual disorders. Oncologist diagnoses and treats cancer using chemotherapy, radiation, and other treatments. Endocrinologist specializes in hormone-related conditions such as diabetes, thyroid issues, and adrenal disorders. Gastroenterologist treats digestive system disorders, including conditions like inflammatory bowel syndrome, ulcers, and liver diseases. Psychiatrist focuses on diagnosing and treating mental health disorders, including anxiety, depression, and schizophrenia. Ophthalmologist specializes in eye and vision care, including treatment for eye diseases like glaucoma and cataracts. Rheumatologist treats autoimmune diseases and conditions affecting the joints, muscles, and bones like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus. Urologist diagnoses and treats urinary tract issues and male reproductive system disorders such as kidney stones and prostate problems. Pulmonologist specializes in diseases and conditions of the lungs such as asthma, pneumonia, and COPD. Hematologist focuses on blood diseases including anemia, leukemia, and clotting disorders. Anesthesiologist specializes in anesthesia and pain management during surgeries and medical procedures. Audiologist diagnoses and treats hearing and balance disorders, including hearing loss and tinnitus. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.